Once upon a time, there was a very beautiful girl who lived in a village near the forest with her mother. One day, her grandmother gave her a lovely red hood. That's why everybody in the town called her the Little Red Riding Hood.
Are you afraid of the big bad wolf?
Little Red Riding Hood, Little Red Riding Hood.
Did you call me mother?
Yes, Little Red Riding Hood, your grandmother is very sick. I want you to go to her house and take her this little basket with some bread and honey.
Yes, mother.
But don't stop in the forest and don't talk to strangers. Do as I say. Go straight to your grandmother's house.
Yes, mother. Little Red Riding Hood went through the forest with the little basket for her grandmother, who lived in a nearby village. Along the way, she saw many beautiful flowers in the forest. I'm going to my grandmother's house. Wow, what a huge flower. Let me touch it. Watch out, Little Red Riding Hood. Before you touch the flower, this flower is loved, but its flower seeds and leaves can cause vomiting, drooling, and death of a person too. Ouch! Thank you, Ma Shandabir, for saving me. My grandmother is sick. I'm taking some bread for her. I just stopped admiring the flowers and landed up somewhere. That's fine. Have some fruits. Sharing is always fun. Happy to see you.
Little Red Riding Hood, be cautious and do follow your mom's instructions and reach safely.
Little Red Riding Hood feels tired and falls asleep under the shade of a tree, where she dreams of flowers dancing.
Wow, look at all the flowers! There are so many pretty colors. Sing a song of flowers, flowers all around. Flowers that are growing, growing in the every color, they look so pretty too. Red and pink, orange and yellow, blue and purple too. Red, pink, orange, yellow, blue and purple too. Sing a song of flowers, flowers all around. Flowers that are growing, growing in the ground. Flowers of every color, they look so pretty too. Red and pink, orange and yellow, blue and purple too. Red, pink, orange, yellow, blue and purple too.
As she wakes up fascinated with flowers, she starts plucking flowers again. She left the little basket on the ground to pick up some flowers when suddenly she sees a big rabbit hole. She peeps down the rabbit hole and finds a big rabbit wearing a waistcoat on the other side of the tunnel. She calls him to talk.
Hello there, Mr. Rabbit. I am Little Red Riding Hood. Would you mind telling me what time is it?
Well, hello, Little Red Riding Hood. Sorry, I cannot sit and talk to you much.
Oh, but where are you off to in such a tearing hurry?
My dear Little Red Riding Hood, I work for the Queen of Hearts. I have been assigned a very important work to announce the Queen's arrival. What are you doing here in this forest?
Mr. Rabbit, I am on my way to my grandmother with this basket full of goodies as she's unwell.
My dear Little Red Riding Hood, it is very important to value time. We should not be late. All the given tasks must be done on time. Those who value time are always successful. Now I think we both need to hurry up and reach our destination, or else we will be late.
Okay, Mr. Rabbit, I'll take some of these pretty flowers to my grandmother.
Good morning, Little Red Riding Hood.
Good morning, Mr. Wolf.
Where are you going so early?
I am going to my grandmother's house to take her this little basket with some bread and honey.
Does your grandmother live far from your Little Red Riding Hood?
No, Mr. Wolf. She lives just across the forest in the first little house in the village, the one with the white door.
Goodbye, Little Red Riding Hood. I hope she gets better. And look, do you see that road?
Yes, I do.
Just follow that road and you will get to your grandmother's house.
Thank you, Mr. Wolf.
Goodbye. Ha 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 ha. Little Red Riding Hood followed the road pointed out by Mr. Wolf and got misled deep down the forest.
Oh, I think I lost my way. Did Mr. Wolf show me the wrong path? Hello, Pinocchio. I am Little Red Riding Hood, and I think I lost my way. But what are you doing in the forest?
Good morning, Little Red Riding Hood. I am on my way to join a circus. Would you like to join me?
No, Pinocchio. I have to take these goodies to my granny, who is unwell. I met Mr. Wolf, who told me the way to reach her house quickly.
Okay then, we both go our way. Bye-bye.
What do I do now?
what will happen to Little Red Riding Hood now?
Do ba 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 do do ba do boo do a boo ba do ba do boo boo ba do a do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do 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 a do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do ba do ba do.
Oh my girl, Riding Hood, we are the dwarfs. Are you okay?
Ah! I got surprised. Hello, Mr. Dwarfs. I was supposed to take some bread and honey for my grandmother who is sick. But now I lost my path. Mr. Wolf showed me the wrong path.
Oh my girl, we will surely take you safe. Be cheerful. Cheerfully, Little Red Riding Hood gets along with the dwarfs and starts moving ahead. Meanwhile, the wolf knocked at Little Red Riding Hood's grandmother's house. Who's there? It's me, grandmother, Little Red Riding Hood, and I bought you a basket with some bread and honey.
Ah! You bad wolf! I'll push you away!
I missed my meal! Since the wolf missed his meal, he thought of a plan. He disguised himself as the grandmother in her costume and was waiting for Little Red Riding Hood. Who's there?
Grandmother, it's me, Little Red Riding Hood. I brought you a little basket with some bread and honey.
Come in, my little angel. Burst the door.
Grandmother, your voice sounds so odd.
I just have a bit of cold. I am too tired to get up.
What big eyes and ears you have.
All the better to see and hear you, my darling.
Oh, grandmother, and what big teeth you have.
All the better to eat you with. Ha 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 ha. I will eat you. Ha 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 ha. I will eat you. I will eat you. Ha 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 ha. Meanwhile, grandmother enters the house with few villagers to chase the wolf out and finds Little Red Riding Hood safe.
There's the bad wolf.
Beat him! Catch the wolf! Beat him! The wolf! Beat him! Beat him! Catch the wolf! Catch the wolf! Beat him! Catch the wolf! Hit him! Hit him! Catch the wolf!
Thank you, grandmother.
Thank you everybody for the timely help and saving my granddaughter. Thank you.